So welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, we're out in the RV getting ready to put it away for the winter. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to show you some cool things with Velcro that'll help your travel be safer and you'll enjoy it. It's easy to use. So let us show you all the things we did with Velcro. So this is one good spot for Velcro. We put our CO detector here. We put stickies on the back of it, and that way we haven't drilled any holes in the RV and we can take it down so it don't rattle while we travel. Yes, there's a CO detector up front that came with the RV. We put one here by our bed just so we have it. We made this shield, which there's another video on to show you how we did that, but that's also held up with Velcro. Look at that. So that's one thing. The other thing, we've got this indoor-outdoor temperature gauge. Hey, Velcro. This clock wants to move around. Velcro stops it from moving around. Have you ever had trouble with these opening up when you're going down the road like that? Look, here and here, Velcro. Velcro holds our curtain in place. This is our map. This is our maps. Our maps are Velcro. This is our tire monitor. You saw that install. Hey, look, Velcro again. So now I haven't drilled any holes anywhere in my RV, so that's just great. So lots of Velcro solutions here. Don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Hey, Velcro you can get anywhere, but I'll put a link down below because if you use my link to go to Amazon and it helps support this channel, it doesn't cost you anything. So please use the link to shop Amazon. We appreciate your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. Catch you in the next video. We do have more RV stuff coming, so stay tuned. So our dog likes to lay right here between us when we're going down the road on a blanket. And you can see I already cut out a board from a scrap piece of wood that I can get in and out of there. We'll take that out in a minute. But that right under there is the transmission, the exhaust. That floor gets hot. I've got a carpet that goes in there. It goes up, looks like it's factory, but I tell you what, the floor still gets hot. Her blanket got hot, she'd get hot, she'd be panting. Meanwhile, we're running along and it's 60 degrees in the RV. We're freezing and the dog's overheating. So we're going to take this board, we'll take it out and show you what we did. And we're going to make some legs to put it up, and then we're going to put some carpet under it as well. So the carpet will be on the top of it and what have you. It'll be a nice little spot. We're going to develop an air gap. You can see we've got a lip here so we can raise this up about 1.5 inches. So let's get to it.